Welcome to a tutorial of the email and telephone number feature on the IDVisor v2. This feature allows you to stay more in touch with your customer base. There are two ways to input this data. The first way is directly after scanning the ID. From here, you can press the email and telephone button toward the bottom of the screen. This screen allows you to enter in the user's email, offering a list of predefined domains to maximize the efficiency. You can also enter the customer's phone number here. Once you press save, the customer's email and phone number are saved to the customer record. When you click on the email telephone button again, it will automatically show this information. Additionally, after rescanning the ID, you're able to access this information again. You can also input a customer's contact information through the search feature. From here, you can type in the name of the customer you're looking for and press search. Now you can see the customer's email address. If you click on this, you'll be brought to the same screen as before, showcasing both their email and phone number. And that's how to use the email and telephone feature on the IDVisor v2. For more information, visit IDScanner.com.